Welcome, today I am with Sony headphones and I'm going to show you how you can make factory reset of this device. So we have to grab them just like that, and we have to click and hold the power key and the custom key at the same time for like 7 seconds until this indicator blinks 4 times on blue color. So let's make it. Let's click and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there it is. Right now we can release the keys and take a look when I grab my smartphone and try to go for the Sony application, and when I try to connect I will be disconnected from them. Even when I click on the power button just like that and turn them back, as you can see, there I have the request for pairing. So that's how you can perform the factory reset of your Sony headphones. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.